Hi, my name is Mrs. Lewis, and I am the visual art teacher here at Van Wert High School, and I'm going to talk to you about independent study. So independent study is a course that students can take if they are unable to fit an art course in their schedule. With block classing, sometimes it is very difficult for students to be able to fit in their art courses during a selected class period. And so I offer an independent study, so I offer that for 1 to 2 students a class period. Students fill out an application letting me know what course they would like to take, and they can also fill out the application to let me know why their intended art course does not fit in their current schedule, how they think it will benefit them as a professional in the career field, and how they think it will benefit them through their high school courses. Overall, how is taking this course during a study hall going to benefit you as a student and in your future? So for independent study, students can do anything from my fundamentals of 2D or 3D classes, drawing, painting 2, digital art 2, ceramics and sculpture 2, studio art, so any of those with those mediums, so drawing, painting, digital, ceramics, or sculpture. They cannot take AP Studio or AP Art, during that independent study time because we have an individual meeting time for that course. But other than that, they can take any of those courses during their independent study time. I just allow 1 to 2 independent studies per class period. So if that has already been met, then they are unable to take it at that time, but they could take it the following semester. So independent study typically lasts a semester. If the following semester they would like to take another independent study course, so let's say that they took fundamentals of 3D with me as an independent study in the fall. In the spring, if they're wanting to take ceramics and sculpture too, but are still unable to fit it into their schedule, they could take ceramics and sculpture 2 as an independent study. And again, they just have to make sure that I am not full for that class period. So independent study works just the same as all my other courses. They will be essentially in the same course as the other students, but they will be taking that during a study hall class period, and I will be working with them one-on-one. So that is a little bit about independent study.